If you're wondering how to find keywords with traffic and low difficulty, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to discover keywords that bring in traffic, but aren't too competitive to rank for. Stick around until the end for an exclusive free trial that will help you with this process. Finding the right keywords is crucial to growing your website or business, but not all keywords are created equal. Some have high traffic, but they're way too competitive. Others might be easy to rank for, but they don't bring much traffic. The key is finding that sweet spot, keywords with solid traffic and low difficulty. First, let's dive into how you can find these keywords. You'll want to start by using a keyword research tool like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest. These tools allow you to enter a broad keyword or topic related to your niche and get a list of potential keywords, along with their traffic volume and difficulty scores. Look for keywords with a decent amount of search volume but a low difficulty score. The traffic should be high enough to bring in visitors, but the difficulty score should be low enough to make it easier to rank for. Tools like Ahrefs give you a keyword difficulty score, typically from 0 to 100. Aim for keywords with a difficulty score below 30, especially if you're just starting. Another great way to find these keywords is by looking at the related keywords section in these tools. These are terms that are relevant to your primary keyword, but might be less competitive. Sometimes, smaller variations of your main keyword can drive significant traffic without the intense competition. You can also try using Google's Keyword Planner. While this tool isn't as in-depth as others, it's a free option that can give you insight into search volume and competition. Filter your results by both volume and competition level to see what works for your strategy. Next, check out the People Also Ask section in Google. This gives you a quick look at common questions related to your target keyword. The benefit here is you can uncover long-tail keywords, phrases that are more specific and often less competitive, but still generate decent traffic. Don't forget about search intent when picking your keywords. Ensure that the keywords you're targeting match what your audience is searching for. For example, if you're targeting a keyword like best running shoes, someone searching for that term likely wants to buy running shoes. Matching the search intent is critical to converting traffic into actual results. Also, consider analyzing your competitors. Tools like SEMrush allow you to see what keywords your competitors are ranking for and how much traffic they're getting. You can then go after similar, lower difficulty keywords that they might have missed. A really helpful tip is to look at keyword trends. Use Google Trends to see how certain keywords are performing over time. A keyword with rising search volume and low competition could be a goldmine. Timing is everything when it comes to traffic. Lastly, try out a combination of these strategies. Use keyword tools, examine search intent, check competitors, and monitor trends to find the best keywords for your site. The key takeaway from this video is that finding keywords with both traffic and low difficulty requires a combination of using the right tools, understanding search intent, and targeting long-tail opportunities. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot. Keywords that will get you traffic without overwhelming competition. Quick recap. Start with keyword tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. Look for low difficulty and decent traffic. Check People Also Ask and Google Trends for additional ideas, and monitor your competitors to see what's working for them. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to try out the recommended tool. That's it for this tutorial. Make sure to grab that free trial and start finding the best keywords with traffic and low difficulty today.